Hello friends, today's topic 100 stocks, now 5333. Bonus story of Wipro. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Wipro shares turned ex-date for bonus issue today after its 1:1 bonus issue. Company had announced December 3 as the record date for Wipro bonus shares. Investors who had Wipro shares in their demat account as on today will be eligible for the bonus shares. This is Wipro's fourth bonus issue in the last 15 years. The following is the history of bonus issues since the year 2000. Wipro bonus history since year 2000, assuming 100 shares with you. 1. 2004 bonus issue 2:1, 100 becomes 300. Second, 2005 1:1 and number of shares becomes 600. 2010 2:3 and 600 becomes 1000. 2017 1:1, 1000 becomes 2000. Fifth time 2019 1:3 and 2000 becomes 2667. Now sixth time in 2024 1:1 and the 2667 becomes 5333 shares. Although bonus shares as such don't provide any returns to shareholders, share price appreciation along with bonus issues can provide good returns to the shareholders in the long term. Today's bonus adjusted share price of Wipro is 292. It was around 590 before the bonus of 1:1. If you observe the stock price in the graph of the past, you'll observe that it has been adjusted already. However, the actual price of the share in the past would have been different. For example, if you check the graph of Wipro now, you will see the stock price was around rupees 50 per share in January 2000. However, the actual price would have been higher, and because of the subsequent bonus and splits, the price has been adjusted to rupees 50. So effectively, Wipro shares have rallied from rupees 50 to 292 from year 2000 to 2024. So it has multiplied by around 6 times in almost 25 years. This is applicable for a lump sum investment. It works out as only as 7.3% per annum. However, if an investor, without checking the fundamentals of the company, kept investing a particular amount every month, then the returns would have been better, since there were many periods when Wipro shares price was very low. Range of Wipro share prices over the years, bonus, split, adjusted. Year 2000, range 50 to 195. 2002, 20 to 35. 2004, 22 to 44. 2007, 48 to 78. 2008, 20 to 60. 2011, 59 to 93. 2013, 59 to 105. 2015, 96 to 127. Going further, 2016, the stock price range Wipro was 76 to 114, 2018, 95 to 126, 2021, 198 to 370, 2024, 208 to 298. So, if an investor had invested at lower prices, then in spite of Wipro shares not doing very well over the years, the returns may be in the range of 11 to 12% per annum. This is mainly because of the monthly SIP done and taking advantage of the fluctuations in prices over the years. This is why SIP over a long period in a good mediocre mutual fund or stock is almost likely to beat fixed interest instruments. Of course, Wipro share price performance has been significantly inferior to TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech share price performance. So, the SCP on the other IT shares would have given anywhere between 14 to 18% per annum. End of the video, here is the question. Do you hold Wipro shares in your portfolio? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.